Welcome everyone to Wells's channel. Today we are at the nice villa nearby Black Mountain Golf Course and Water Park. The location of this villa is very close to the international school as well. It will take you around 25 minutes from city center to this villa. How it would look like inside, we can go to see together. And now, as we enter in the house, you will see there is the automatic gate right here. With the gate is also very good quality, come with the stainless steel. In this villa, at the parking, you are able to park for 2 cars. At this position, if you have the EV car, in the project they also set up with the EV charger that your car can be installed and charged when you park at home. The more important is that electric which you use to charge your car is come from solar panel. Very special, this project. They not only come with the solar panel off-grid, but they also have the battery that it includes together, which is very good for store your battery in case of no electric or using in the night. After the battery room, beside here, it is the pump room. This pump room is quite well organized with a lot of equipment and also the water filter. There is the filter which is store also the water for the house. In this villa, there is very huge storage. The water tanks underground is saving for 17,000 liters, which is very much that you could also use to watering the plants. When the water supply is not enough, you can living in the house for several days. Here, what I would like to show more is the garden. In this location, as you see, it's very wide green. It's a big green area which look very comfortable when you have a relaxing day. Beside me will be the swimming pool, which is long for 10 by 4 meters and deep for 1.3 meters. That quite convenient for swimming with the lens. What I like it about the water fountain here, that is gonna make your day very relaxing, sitting relaxed and hearing the sound of water. Let's go to continue this direction. As you see, there is the terrace, which is outside the shadow, and another terrace is under the shadow. This way is with the sunbed, it helps you to take the sun bath, but as well if you don't want to take the sun, this under shadow terrace it as well come with the mosquito net. Can you see? Beautiful and very good technology. Here, the outdoor living area is setting with nice sofa set. Here, you can sit together for more than 5 people. And behind of me will be the area of the dining. They set up with the dining table which fit for 6 people, that you could enjoy your dinner or your lunch without very heavy sun. What I didn't show you is that before entering to this terrace, there is a way between the parking and the house, which is set up as the barbecue area. This barbecue area is also convenient. It comes with the stove and sink, and as well the cupboard. What do you think? That you have the area for barbecue and nice terrace and very good garden. Interesting. Now is the time where we are going to see inside of the house. Let's go. And now is the time to enter in the house. I'm sure you're curious to know how it looks like. Time to enter in the house. When we enter, the first area we see is the living room. In this living room, they set up with very huge size of sofa, which I really like it. This sofa, as it's used, is quite comfortable as well, to fit for 4 to 5 people at least. And in front of me is very nice decoration with the television that is huge, and in the background is nice color matching together. Oh, I would enjoy watching this television. It's quite big. Which I really like with the smart system is that you can change the light color for the house, and as well can order with the voice, "Hey Google, turn off the light." There it is. And behind of me, this is the kitchen. That's very stunning. From the first moment when I enter, it's large space and have the island, which you can also talk with your family while you are cooking. And as well, when the family on the living room, it's very good connect together. And here, the equipment inside the kitchen is quite cool as well. Very high gadget. What I like in this house as well is come with the smart system. Entire house you can order from Google, especially this one. It's cool. The functional in kitchen is also organized and very interesting for me when cooking, having this kitchen. Very good. Now is the time where we can see the private area here, how it look like. When you enter, on my left now, it will be the laundry room. This laundry, it comes with the cupboard and as well with the sink, which has the door that connect to outside. In the back, they are preparing with the rocks, and mostly is the place where they put up the AC compressor. Now let's go to see inside. After the laundry room, I will show you, this is the guest bathroom. Guest bathroom is just opposite from the kitchen, which is very nice decoration. It's only installed the sink and toilet in this room. And we will see, this is the first bedroom that I'm gonna show you. This first bedroom, they as well have the furniture fit in, showing you how it looks like. What I like is that the color of this room is go well together for the relaxing feeling. And this bed is come with a queen size bed, as you see. And here, from this first bedroom, you can connect to the terrace, which is very nice to see the garden as well. Beside, there is quite huge space and as well able to put the armchair. So on my other side here, it will be ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is come with very good space, organizing. There is a sink here and the shower that is come with the temple glass and the door to separate the wet area. As well, in the space of toilet, there is a curtain, the windows used for the air ventilation. Let's go to continue. After the first bedroom, we will continue to see the second bedroom on this corridor. On the way to the second bedroom, you will see here on my left, it is office, the small office that is good for you when you would like to have your private time to work on or to do your small research. This room is very private. Let's continue next one. This is the second bedroom, which coming with the very nice view after. This is the door that you can exit to the garden beside. This garden is also good and well organized. Here is set up with the queen size bed. In this bedroom, they also have good space. It's not huge as the first one, but still it's comfortable. And here they have a fit-in wardrobe, which is coming in case you use this for guests. This is quite enough. And dressing table. And this shower is very huge space, coming with the door and the temple glass, which make the separate area very well. Especially the floor, it's flat in one layer. That make you no need to worry about the step. From the another side of the house, now we see what is in opposite area from the first and second bedroom. And here we are entering in the master bedroom. In this master bedroom, as you see, there is a very nice decoration and the bed is come with the king size. This is the king size bed with the good space beside. In front of me, I will show you. In front of me is the swimming pool view, which you can access to the terrace from your bedroom. And there, beside here will be the area. Now we enter in the walk-in closet area, which is quite huge. In case you are living for two couple, the couple of the two, you can share each other for the wardrobe. And as well, there is a space to keep your blanket or the bed sheet. And now, in front of me, now we are entered in the master bed, ensuite bathroom inside master bedroom. You see, the first area already the big shower. And there is a space for his and her sink, which come with the bathtub. This bathroom is special for me because there is the stunning view outside, see through the swimming pool and garden. Also, the mountain view, which is very nice for you to take the bathtub and seeing outdoor very beautiful view. This villa is come with a lot of technology in the house, include 5 kilowatt solar that is also have battery backup, which has also inside the house for air purification and a smart house system, which is convenience for you. That is also coming with the curtain automatic order by the Google. That is very convenient. Before you left home, you can just tell to the Google, turn off, everything will be done easy. And the 17,000 liters water tanks underground, it would help you to be very safe in case of the water running out of the system. This plot is come with the land size 914 square meters, and as well the living area in this plot is 188 square meter, which is quite huge, not include the terrace, not include sala and parking. And the price of this villa, as you see in the entire video, the price for everything including is 15.5 million baht for what you've seen from my video. But because they have also all the types of villa that you can choose, if you have lower budget, they can really make it fit in your budget. You can adjust the floor plan and as well make the optional reducing to fit to your budget, because the price of deluxe plan is starting by 10.6 million baht. In this case, if you would like to get more information, you can contact to me by calling 086 424 5951 or send me message from the WhatsApp, then we can share together. See you in another video. Bye bye.